When I started this job today, I did not expect to be rummaging around in an old Ford and Vauxhall abandoned loft of parts. Check this out. Hey guys, and welcome back. So I started stripping down the front of the Robin today, and these are, if you don't know, these are Mk2 Fiesta indicators, and it has Mk2 Fiesta headlights as well. And in there we've got these bulb holders. Now mine were rotten, so I thought I'll take a little wander up to my local motor factors and just see if they've, by any form of fluke, have got some of these in stock. Well, it turns out they didn't, but they said go and speak to so and so around the corner, because he used to break Vauxhalls and Fords. So I wasn't expecting anything at all. I went around, had a chat to the guy. Go up in a loft and have a look, he said. And, well, I found the bits I need and a lot of other stuff as well. Check this out. Astra. Nova. Cavalier. Sierra, Orion, Mark 1 Astra trim panels, lots of Mark 3 rear lights, 89 Carlton, more Sierra I think. Box. Bumper corners. It's Ford, is that Ford Escort? It's a fog lighter for Ford. What's that off? Up with that. Let's go van windows. Let's go van rear glass. Lots of bumpers and corners. More Sierra. What's that? Fiesta, is it? No, Astra. Vauxhall Astra van. Lots of another Vauxhall Astra estate. Carlton estate. Can't think what that's off. Another Astra estate. Good idea of the size of that, that's a big one. There's a Carlton estate light over there. Yeah, there's certain bits, like I say, stuff looks interesting, but I'm not brave enough to step there. Need a picking stick.
It's alright that way most of the time. You need a bit closer to the back wall, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's all Ford and Vauxhall scrap, is it?
Yeah.
Full dashboard or something. Mark 5 Orion. Fiesta. So that looks like a Sierra, I think, doesn't it? Door cards. And over here, brand new lens. Not sure where that's off. Long gone off there. Various seat swabs, just this. Trim front. Two of those. Nice pair there for someone.
What rubber is it?
Ford. It's an airbox or something. There is so much here. You could be up here for hours. There's another one of those fog lights. More Sierra. Fiesta Mk2. So what motorbike is this, guys? That's in pretty good nick. You know, some spidering, but it doesn't look broke. Centre panel there. What's that, old BMW, something like that? And then That's probably quite rare. Cavalier backboard. More lights under there. What's that? Carlton. What's that light off, guys? If you've got a Ford or a Vauxhall project towards the end of the 80s, early 90s, even up to mid 90s, I think you'd probably find what you need in here. Every time I look around I see something I haven't looked at. A little halo lamp. There we go. Little clocks. Fuse boards or something. Start solenoid. Loads of pinnacles. Escort. Not sure what that is. Ford, wherever it is. Expansion tanks. Original centres. Loads of panes of glass. I'm not even going to guess what most of those are. But those are those Escort van side windows. There's a collection of those there.
Put an extra 40 in the dash. Swap the other car. The other car's a 10 and the 10 instead of 72. You see on the MOT records, like it's got 40,000 miles in one year.
So if you saw anything in there that you want, it is all for sale. You can contact me and I can pass a message on to the chap. He doesn't want his number to be given out because he doesn't want to be inundated with people calling and asking for bits. So if there's any old Ford or Vauxhall bits you want, or if you want to, if you run an auto jumble and you're looking to buy a job lot of something like that and you want to go and take a look at what he's got and make an offer on the whole lot, get in touch and I'll pass your details across to him. So thanks so much, guys. That was a totally unexpected little adventure into the past, into a loft full of. Oh, it was like back in the day when you were little, going to the scrapyard with your dad, and you got to have a little rummage through stuff. And you know, I can't believe he had the bulb holders that I need. So that's superb. So we can carry on. But yeah, I gotta say, I enjoyed that. I must be honest. Take it easy, guys, and thank you very much. And don't forget, all the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, hit the things and whatnot. Take it easy.